Alright y'all, what is good everybody on YouTube? So, as you can see, we do have an unboxing, but actually we got two unboxings. But before we get into the unboxing, I'm gonna get real close to the camera. It don't look close, but I'm close, alright? Just trust me. I need your help, alright? So, I've been promoting the Get Away with the Groves channel. We have less than 100 subscribers, and on this channel we have 1,200. I need y'all to do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel real quick. I promise you it'll be worth your while, alright? We good? Alright then, let's get it. First, we do have a box, as you can see, that is from a restock, but we're gonna also unbox a shoe that I haven't already on the channel. It's been sitting in the room, in the office for a little bit. As you can see from the texture on the top, we're looking at the, what's it called? It's the Jordan 4 Rare Air. I know they had other ones. They had the Jordan 3s, size 11.5. I love how they introduced some of the old features that they had on the old ones. So as you can see, it has like this texture layer on the top, makes the resemblance of Jordan's face. Dope box, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, the thing about these, Jumpman Flight on the inside, cement paper, and then the shoes come double wrapped, alright? So, you probably already seen them already. If you subscribe to the channel, you've seen these before. I'm pretty sure everybody else has showed them, but real quick, I'm just gonna give my opinions before we actually unbox the other. I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't even wanna take the other one out the paper because I'm gonna end up having to wrap it back up. But yeah, just the box, set it to the side. Let me know in the comment section if y'all ended up purchasing these. Now my pair is gonna be indeed the regular white, which honestly, I don't think is bad. I know they're supposed to be like limited if you had the gold one or whatever. It would have been nice to have, but honestly, I'm like, I don't know, I feel like Jordan brand gonna low-key kill the Jordan 4 if they just keep putting out different colorways just to put out different colorways because people like Jordan 4s. You saw what happened to the Jordan 1s. Shatter backboards drop next week and they are under retail. Like, I'm not going for that sneaker on I'm not gonna go for that shoe on sneakers. It's not already at a discounted price. They ain't even released yet. It's under retail. Isn't that crazy? But Rare Air has gray toe cap on the bottoms, gray with the hints of blue, hints of red, herringbone traction, sail on the midsole with a black, and then it has like this kind of suede material. It's like two different types of suede on the toe, all that good stuff. Honestly, for the prices that it's at right now, I can't blame you if you went to the store and went ahead and grabbed these, but boy, got one too many pairs of shoes, too many things that my money is put into right now, and it doesn't include keeping this as a personal. So let me know in the comment section if you ended up grabbing these, if you ended up getting these for a discount. Now I'm gonna start asking y'all, did y'all get these for a discount and how much did you pay? Because it used to be you'd be blessed to get it for retail. Now it's how much did you get off of it? Did you pay retail or did you get it for a cheaper price? Y'all let me know. But that's the Rare Airs. We're gonna set these to the side. And then now we have another unboxing. So we need this knife. Now mind you, I don't know why this box is so big. This is from Nike, by the way. Bro, it's one pair of shoes in here. Now if I open this and it's two pairs, you know something, but it doesn't feel that heavy. But let's go. Hopefully everything with the shoe looks good. I already have another pair of these. I've already unboxed them on the channel, so I don't want to spend too much time on them. Ooh, the box a little busted, but that's okay. Put that knife away. Look at this, bro. Since I have two pairs, I know I'm gonna probably end up selling these. This is diabolical. It's probably because they don't put it in a big old box. But this will probably be the box that I keep for my personals. But size 11.5, Air Jordan 5 OG, black metallic. Let's take a look. And voila, bro. These shoes are so fire. Like, if you didn't hit on this restock, I feel bad for you. These shoes went up so much and price is actually kind of ridiculous. Like when I looked up online and I seen that these are like in my size specifically, these bad boys is almost at $500. I said, whoa. I did not expect that. But I mean, what can I say? It is a beautiful shoe. On the bottom, you have that icy sole, Nike Jordan, the transparent hang tag that says Nike Air, silver tongue. It's just such a classic. 3M on the back, of course. man, I've already done a review on the channel, so if you want to take a look at it, I'm gonna have all those links attached to this video. But all in all, we're gonna have to swap the boxes out if I do end up selling or trading, either or. You know, the box is very important when you want to have any type of leverage when selling or trading. So definitely gonna have to do that. And when it comes to these rare airs, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm probably gonna return these back to the store, man. And it's not because it's not a good colorway. You know, at the end of the day, some shoes I do end up buying for the channel, so I can get a review on them. And like what I paid retail for them, so I didn't get any type of discount on them. So in order to get the money back that I spent on them, I'm going to return these. Yikes. But y'all let me know in the comment section, did y'all hit on the black metallic 5s when they restocked? Today they had the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1 lows drop. Did you get those? Are you looking forward to the shattered backboard Jordan 1s? There's just a lot going on in the sneaker world. We're gonna see a lot more drops here soon, and I hope y'all ready for it. But like I said, y'all, more importantly, look, get away with the drug. I said get away with the drugs. Get away with the girls channel. You feel me? Go ahead, subscribe. We trying to hit 100 subscribers. I'm trying to hit it today. Actually, not today. I want to hit it by the end of the weekend. So y'all got 24 hours. So everybody that's on time for this drop, y'all got 24 hours, man. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers, and I might do something special. Look, I'm trying to post every single day on there. I got enough content to do so. I would like to be a full-time traveler if it permits, you know what I'm saying? If I get in the algorithm. So if y'all like, watch the most recent videos, the Voyages cruise. I put a lot of editing throughout a whole entire week into that video. Put my heart and soul in there, so I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and watch that. Leave a like, comment if you like the visuals, whatever. Outside of that, that's it for me. You feel me? Appreciate y'all for sticking with us for our little errand run that we took this morning. I didn't want to just sit here and talk on the camera. We try to make this short and sweet. So I'm see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel too. I ain't gonna completely leave out this one. But right now, we're trying to get away with the Groves channel off the ground. The ship has sailed, no pun intended. Y'all watched that last video that I posted. And yeah, it's good to be back on here, man. It's good to be back. We got a new camera. I'm motivated. This next year is gonna be crazy. I want y'all along for the ride. I want y'all to be one of the first ones. So when we do hit them pinnacles, you be right here to see it unfold, all right? Okay, look, I appreciate you for watching. Appreciate you for getting away with the Groves if you do get away with us. So hit that link and then, yeah, I think that's it, y'all. I'm gone. I'll see you in the next one. Shatter backboards. Let's set a date for shatter backboards, all right? So I'm gonna see y'all for shatter backboards. Might do a pickup vlog, so we'll see you for the shatter backboards, all right? All right. Y'all have a good day. I'm gone.